Hi traders, this is Triska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button below to get the latest updates whenever I release new videos with my trades and trading tips, plus trading strategies utilizing Pipfinite tools. For today's video, what we're going to do is look at the potential of trading some currencies for the incoming week. So first of all, let's look at the major pairs, which is EURUSD. Okay, so let's start by looking at it at the daily time frame. So we will be able to visualize where we at in terms of our trend. So we are in a prevailing downtrend, which has started since April, and then we see that the trend is still intact. But now markets are starting to retrace, so therefore we will be looking to buying this market. If we zoom in smaller time frame, you would see that coming from this low right here, the price has been rejected at 0.95 level. So you will be expecting that at least it will reach the high of the lower high right here before it formed the lower low. Therefore, that this is the maximum target. So how do we enter that? So for now, there's an indication that we can enter this market into the buy area for one, but still there is a possibility that this can go back and retrace and proceed with testing out the 95 level again right here, the low right here, but potentially for it to be able to go back to 95, it has to gain a lot of sellers. So we will be expecting that most people or traders are be waiting for this high right here. So this is a resistance. So if you're going to examine where is that resistance, that would be at 1.0967. so 1 here, the value is at 0.99, which is 1. So this is the high. If you're going to target buy right now, if you're going to execute a buy order right now, we're going to execute a buy. This is a good opportunity to do so because you would notice that we have a setup right here for H1 time frame with breakout edge plus strength meter. But since this is what I've mentioning the last time, that you can use your SNR lines. So here you can see the line here in H1 time frame. So therefore you will wait for an opportunity to buy here at this level, which is near 9800, a round number. So therefore we will be waiting for the price to test this level. So it's most likely that this will happen very time soon because right now it is at the current high here. So just what I've said, that most likely prices are less likely to be breaking out from the first time that it has reached that high. So for us to test this high, we will need to test it first in terms of it will not, unless the market is really too strong to the upside, then it will just immediately break this area. But if not, the regular cycle of the market is to be retracing at this point when it reached a significant high. So for me, I will be looking to enter right here. So notice that this is your breakout edge signal. So I'll be trading at the retracement, and maybe on the retracement I will be able to see okay, so this breakout edge signal I could not take it because number one, the strength meter is exhausted, or number 4. So what does it mean? So it's either an impulse on or we are at an exhausted market. But since I've mentioned that in the past videos that when you see breakout edge signal at a high, it is less, I don't usually recommend to trade it. Instead, I will wait for confirmation. So what confirmation I'll be waiting for? Then I'll be waiting for a retest. So from this high, I'll be expecting a retest before I would enter this trade for EURUSD. So for GBP yen, let me just check. So again, I've mentioned in the past week that this would be high likely, since it has reached a high and broken a high coming from earlier this year. So therefore, we would be expecting a retracement coming from it. So as you can see, that this has been ranging for the past few days that I've been reviewing this. For me, this is a slight indication that it wants to test that high that was recently formed, breaking the high from April of 2022. So we will be waiting for an opportunity to sell. For now, short-term sell. Let's see if the market will give us an indication that this will continue to the upside or whether it will continue to the downside. But as you can see, the market structure in H4 time frame, so you see a high right here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So there's nothing yet that we could say that the uptrend is invalidated. And besides, we're looking at H4 time frame. So zooming in to smaller time frame, we will be looking to sell if we are a day trader, because those are the indications that we have right now, since it has been rejected in a significant high, right? And then for Australian dollar USD, let's look at 4-hour time frame. This has been, the price has been closed in a channel, so therefore and it starts to create a high and higher low, and this is the higher high right here. So I will be expecting that this will still go until it touches 200 SMA. Usually if it touches 200 SMA and it broke 200 SMA, what will usually happen is it usually tests this level 200 SMA, and if it really wants to break out from 200 SMA, the next target will be the 800 SMA. But it's too early to say that, because we need to first break 200 SMA before we reach the 800. So we will see what will be the next price. We will see what the markets will do in the incoming weeks. So for AUDUSD, I'll be looking to buy. Alright, so that will be it for our market preview for this incoming week. And if you found this video very informative and very valuable to you, all you have to do is just like this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you again tomorrow for another forex trading tips and use of Pipfinite tools.